Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Work is worship. Follow the ant. It is not possible to get success without work. It is only possible in the dictionary, and the dictionary is the only place where success comes before work. Though an ant looks like an insignificant creature, we can learn a lot from it. It stands as a good example for industry, and it leads an orderly and purposeful life. During summer, it works tirelessly, collects food and stores it in its hole for use during winter. If we follow its example, work hard when the circumstances are favorable, and save something for the future, we can also lead our lives without any worry when the circumstances become unfavorable to us. Unfortunately, because of our ego, most of us refuse to follow others' good examples and suffer the consequences of our lapses. Particularly the youth, wants anything and everything instantly. They like to have instant coffee, instant food, and instant meals. No problem. But that continues even for instant marriages and instant divorces. The exams and interviews they attend to are instant. They do not have the patience to wait for the things to happen in their normal course of time. When they undertake any task, they expect immediate results from it. When the expected results are not forthcoming, they leave it in the middle. What they do not know is that their way of thinking is against the laws of nature. It takes a long time for a child to become a grown-up person. Similarly, it takes some time for a mango to get ripened. If you try to hasten the process of the growing up of the child or the ripening of the mango, the results will be different. Success is not a thing that happens by chance. There are no shortcuts for it. You have to plan and prepare for it. And you have to work very hard to achieve it. Patience and perseverance play an important role in achieving it. There are 3 types of people. First type, they do not start even any work. Second type, they start work but leave it in the middle. Whereas the third type of people, they invite work and do it with energy and enthusiasm. They utilize each and every opportunity to do something good, not only to themselves but also to others. People like them, and they are reliable and dependable. They are welcome everywhere. Great people of the world belong to this third category. In spite of disappointments and failures, they strive ceaselessly until they achieve their aim. From Abraham Lincoln to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, there are so many examples. The great famous Sanskrit poet Bhartrhari divided people into 3 types. Let us see that poem. ఆరంభింపరు నీచ మానవులు విఘ్నాయాస సంత్రస్తులై ఆరంభించి పరిత్యజింతురు విఘ్నాయత్తులై మధ్యముల్ ధీరుల్ విఘ్న నిహన్యమానులగుచున్ ధృత్యున్నతోత్సాహులై ప్రారబ్ధార్థములు జగింపరు సుమీ ప్రజ్ఞానిధుల్ కావునన్. నీచులు మధ్యలో ఆటంకాలు వస్తాయనే భయముతో ఏ పనిని మొదలు పెట్టరు. మధ్యములు పని మొదలు పెడతారు, కానీ ఆటంకం వస్తే సగములోనే పని వదిలేస్తారు. ధైర్యవంతులు ఎన్ని ఆటంకాలు కలిగినా తాము చేపట్టిన పనిని విడువక మరింత ధైర్యముతో ఉత్సాహముతో పట్టుదలగా పూర్తి చేస్తారు. There are also people who wish to make money by hook or crook. Resorting to corrupt methods, they do things imperfectly and they do not bother even if others suffer because of their way of doing things. The imperfectly executed public works bear testimony to this fact. However, a seeker of success should bear in mind the following points. Number 1. Success is a process. There are no shortcuts for success. It can be achieved only by hard work with proper planning and preparation. Number 2. Work once begun should not be left incomplete in spite of difficulties and obstacles. Number 3. One should do only useful work but not wasteful work. What is useful work? If the work done proves to be useful to the doer or to the others or to the society, it can be called useful. If not, it should be called useless. However, a person should have short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals to achieve his work. Finally, a person, in spite of his meticulous planning and hard work, may fail to achieve his goals. If it happens, he need not feel disheartened, as he can make renewed efforts for the achievement of them, and surely he will succeed in his endeavors. Generally, we want to take rest and use this word regularly. The Oxford English Dictionary defines rest as sleep or inactivity as a way of regaining strength. It reflects the attitude of the people in general throughout the world. But the Japanese dictionary defines rest in a different manner. It defines rest as change of work. This reflects the attitude of the Japanese towards work. They love work and they like to be active at all times. If they get monotony by doing some work, they change from one work to another work. The changed work may be listening to music, playing a game, or painting a picture. Because of such an attitude, now Japan is in the first place. Finally, if we wish to enjoy a healthy and happy life, we should also work hard like Japanese, keeping the prestige and dignity of our nation. Dear
Thank
Indians, my
all.
humble request is, let us think and work like Japanese, proclaiming, the Indian is my brother, the Indian is my life, better India is my pleasure. If we work sincerely with the above principles, having highest number of youth in India, we are not so far to our goal of reaching first place in the world. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Swasti.